Today we're going to be showing you how to change the headlights in a 2017 Camaro. It's right back here. You can do this with the wheels straight, but if you turn the wheels all the way out on either side, you get more room up here. When I got the wheel all the way out, I can push this inner fender down and I get more room. We're just going to be doing the low beams today, so reach in there and just twist that out counterclockwise. May have to fiddle with this a little bit to get it out. And then there's the light. Now to put the other one in.
Putting LEDs in it.
These are LEDs, they're just cheap little LEDs that we got. You're going to want to put this in the slot first. Can you get your phone in there and see it? So they can see what it looks like. Okay, you're going to get it in that slot first. And then you're going to want to plug it up. Here's the plug. And then that's how you do it.
Let's see the difference in these halogen and then these LEDs.
Now
Just hit the unlock button.
On Chevys, sometimes the polarity is swapped when you swap in HIDs or LEDs. So I may have to swap the plug over.
Yeah, that one's backwards.
Yeah. Now on these, this is where the clip is going to hold, and on this side there's actually a little lip that goes on there, so you're going to have to just take a knife and just take that off there. It's pretty easy to do.
Using a sword to cut that off?
Cutco knife. I cut the wrong side off, actually.
Really?
Yeah, you're gonna have to cut that part.
I'm not cutting that part.
Why?
Because I don't want to cut it.
You just wait.
Yee. So that's why you had to turn the tire. You gotta push. That stuff's like cloth.
Yeah.
You just push it in, get the tire out of the way and push it in.
But it's pretty easy to do this. This is the bulb. It's actually made for this car too. So you may run into that problem.
There it is. Looks a lot better than the halogen.
Does look a lot better.
The passenger side's actually going to be different too. So
Yeah, we'll just keep going. Now, I need to swap it over. Turn the wheels from this side to the other side.
I bet it warmed up just from being started that fast.
It probably did. This side is a little bit tighter.
So you can push it in just like the driver's side?
Yeah, you can push it in. And then the high beam is going to be right here. The low beam is going to be back here.
Where's the low beam at?
It's right here.
Can't see it. Oh, right there?
Yep. My hand's on it right now.
So like right at the corner of this power box there?
Yep. This one's just a little bit harder to reach. Ugh. The bulb burnt up as I took it out.
The headlights actually just went off.
They're smoking. Now this is a lot easier if you do it when the bulbs aren't hot. But we're trying to get y'all some good video, so. And I dropped it. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut this off. It's not the one closest, it's the one furthest away.
What do you mean by that?
It's not the little notch that's close to the edge. It's the one up near the top. And you're going to do the same thing over here. You're going to want to get the bulb in first and then plug it up.
I can't see really. I guess it don't matter.
Yeah, it's hard to see. You really got to do it by feel. This is about the only hard part, is to try and plug this in with one hand.
It's actually fairly easy for it being such a new vehicle. There are cars out there where you have to take the front bumper off to change headlights.
Now, let's see if we got this one plugged up the right way.
Yep.
There you go. And to put these back caps on, all you're going to do is you're going to put the wires up in the hole that the light is in. See if you can get down in there and see it. It's lit up right now, so. See it right there?
Mm-hmm.
You put the wires in around the LED, and then you're just going to put the cap in over it. Then we'll do this side. Can you see it?
Just wrap the wires around the metal piece pretty much and
Yep.
push them up in there.
Then you'll just put this little cover on there. And we're all done. You pop the cloth back where it goes.
Yeah, put the cloth back where it goes, for sure.
Everything's good as new. Except for the light drop.
I did not see any bumper removal right there at all.
No, that's for changing out the actual headlight housings.
Turn them back on. This thing's dirty. They're brighter. I like the cleaner look.
Yeah, not the yellow.
Yeah, I don't like the yellow at all. I don't know why they still put those in new cars. That's how you do a headlight change on a 2017 Camaro. They're pretty bright.